3 different cycles. So the black system, best observed from the weekly chart, represents the long-term cycle, right? Where pricing is trading basically sideways in a wide range. This is the move back and forth, 1, 2, 3, all the way up 4. Now just landed, that's the 5th, right? The blue system represents the medium-term cycle, best observed from the daily chart. It seems to be irrelevant because price action seems to be off, breaking down and moving away from that system, but I would like to challenge that, right? Let me get back to that. Then we have the purple system that represents the short-term cycle, best observed from the 4-hour chart. Now, why is that relevant? Check out what's happening right here. After price action snagged that 81.31 level and spiked it and pulled back up, we got another, this is the short-term system here, where the bottom support of 81.95 seems to get activated at this point. Price action broke that level yesterday, but today it's climbing back up and basing itself right above 81.95. I'm talking about right now as we speak. This is how it looks like from the weekly perspective. It's quite interesting. Check it out. Take a look at that big spike, right? This is the weekly bar, and it's already receding to the point that it feels comfortable sitting right now on top of 81.95. So basically what I'm trying to say here is the short-term system here, that purple system, have just been activated, right? Because we see that 81.95 is holding very well, pushing against price action, and at this point I feel like price action is about to turn around and head straight up back towards 84.40. If the purple system, if the short-term system is activated, that means 84.40 is our new target. You know, in case there's going to be an upside reversal, which is probably the case, right? Because we see how tough that 81.95 is. So an upside reversal will lead into a move back to 84.40. That's going to be our new target. Now, this is just, you know, an initial type of overview. We're not pulling the trigger yet. We need probably a day or a couple of days more to feel comfortable to do so, but I'm just laying out the story, laying out the game plan. Now, here's another clinch here that I'm going to throw into the mix. Imagine that by the end of the week, price action not only going to close above 89.95, but it's going to continue pulling up, right? And leave a bigger spike. Imagine that, a bigger spike, but then by the end of the week, it will stay above the blue line, the blue bottom line of 83.10 right here. That, if that's gonna happen, that will activate the blue system, which means that we're gonna have a bigger move that's gonna go all the way to 86.43. So it's very important for us to see how this week's gonna end up, whether it's gonna be the purple system that we're gonna be committed to with the level of 84.40, or maybe it's gonna be the blue system is gonna get activated, and then we're gonna be aiming at 86.42. Another way to go about it, like I said at the beginning, is price action will not continue to pull back up, but rather come back down again and then close the weekly bar below 81.31. Then guess what? The original game plan of chasing 78.50 will come back to life. So we see 3 different scenarios playing out here, but all of which depends on the way price action is going to end up the week and possibly the next couple of days. Alright guys, so it looks like we're not done yet with the New Zealand Japanese. We will be back to follow up on the situation and we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, moving on to the next video. Take care.